Hello, cosmic explorers, and welcome to our celestial journey through the astronomical wonders of July 2025. Whether you're a casual stargazer or a passionate astronomy buff, get ready to dive into a month packed with events that will light up the night sky. We begin on July 1st with Messier 22 and IC4756, two dazzling star clusters, well placed in the night sky. They're best observed after 1700 UTC from a dark sky location with a telescope pointed toward Sagittarius. On July 2nd, the first quarter moon will be visible just after 1325 UTC. Look westward around sunset for crisp lunar shadows, perfect for binocular or unaided viewing. July 3rd is packed. Catch Mercury M44 just after 1415 UTC, low in the western sky. Earth reaches aphelion at 2335 UTC. At night, the moon occults Spica around 1720 UTC, depending on your location. And in the early hours of July 4th, around 2230 UTC, Venus and Uranus align in the eastern pre-dawn sky. On July 4th, Mercury appears brightest at 1430 UTC near the western horizon. Neptune begins retrograde in Pisces, viewable with a telescope around 2200 UTC. The moon reaches apogee at 1222 UTC, rising later in the evening looking slightly smaller than usual. On July 7th, around 1745 UTC, the moon briefly hides Antares, the red heart of Scorpius. Binoculars will make this celestial game of hide-and-seek more vivid. July 10th features a full moon rising around 1328 UTC. Earlier that day, the moon reaches aphelion at 510 UTC. Its slightly smaller size makes for a serene lunar sight. Saturn turns retrograde on July 13th and becomes visible from around 1830 UTC onward. You'll find it in the southeastern sky with the help of a telescope or star app. Early on July 16th, from 2100 to 2330 UTC, watch for a graceful celestial trio. The moon aligns with Saturn and distant Neptune in the southeast, best seen with binoculars. The last quarter moon occurs at 0956 UTC. Messier 55 is well placed around 1730 UTC in Sagittarius, a great late evening target for telescope users. On July 20th, the moon reaches perigee at 0108 UTC and appears slightly larger. Around 2300 UTC on July 19th, look northeast to watch it near the Pleiades star cluster. But before sunrise on July 21st, look east to see the moon shining near brilliant Venus. This graceful pairing is easily visible to the naked eye and adds a serene touch to the early morning sky. The moon and Jupiter rise together around 2100 UTC on July 22nd. This stunning pairing is easily visible to the naked eye from the eastern sky. The new moon occurs at 0206 UTC on July 24th. Enjoy dark sky conditions ideal for deep sky observation. Pluto reaches opposition at 2150 UTC, visible all night in Sagittarius through a powerful telescope. The moon reaches perihelion earlier that day at 2119 UTC. Venus reaches its peak altitude just before dawn, around 2300 UTC on July 25th. Look to the eastern horizon. Its brilliance will be hard to miss. On July 28th, Mars meets the waning crescent moon around 2215 UTC, low in the east. Throughout the night, the Piscis Austrinids meteor shower peaks, best visibility between 2000 and 2300 UTC. Meteor shower lovers, rejoice. July 30th is your night with both the δ-Aquariids and α-Capricornids at peak. Head to a dark sky site after 1830 UTC for up to 30 meteors per hour. On July 31st at 1515 UTC, the moon briefly covers Spica, visible from select regions. Mercury reaches inferior conjunction at 0010 UTC, making it unobservable due to solar glare. Thanks for joining me on this tour of July 2025's celestial highlights. From dazzling conjunctions to brilliant meteor showers, every event is an invitation to look up and explore. Which one are you most excited to catch? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you're always ready for your next sky watching adventure. Until next time, clear skies and keep looking up.